I'm the FTI instrumentation operations engineer. So basically my job is to make sure the instrumentation system on the jet is all working and all the data that is being recorded, and that's what basically used to claim all the test points. So they'll fly the missions and look at the data through our system, and then that's when they'll call the test point good or bad, and then refly it if it's bad. So my job is to make sure the system's working, test it every day, and then basically clear it for flight before they take off. I was actually the only British guy on the boat from BAE, so it was I was with all the American guys, and to come from like I say, I used to work in Wharton on all the Nimrod and the Eurofighter stuff, and to go from that and then to be out here from BAE, I was the only person, so I was actually quite. It was a bit daunting like at first, but then you realise that you've come from, the apprenticeship scheme right the way through all that system, and all the training done for BAE, and then eventually got onto the boat. It was actually a really, really proud moment when I was on the boat. I say part of my job is the telemetry system, so our system is the first one. We pick up the aircraft as it was transiting to the boat, so we were like the first people to see the data coming through and seeing it coming into land, and it was very, the first time it came in, you're obviously a little bit nervous, you're hoping it's going to, all go okay, and luckily for us, the F35 performed amazingly well, and it had absolutely zero problems. It actually caught the wire every single time they tried to catch the wire, which the history of the plane was we had quite a few problems getting to this point. We've done a lot of testing, a lot of effort has gone into getting it to this stage. So to see it actually land on a boat like it was meant to do, it was really, really good.